In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to change currency on your Facebook ads account. So if this is your first time visiting our channel, do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell so that you won't be missing out videos like this. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing is that you simply need to log into your Facebook account. Okay, once you're there, you click on the setting button. So after which you simply click on what? Settings. Once you get there, you scroll down, and you are going to see ads payment. Is it down here? Click on it. Okay, after that you simply need to scroll down and you click on what? Business info. So after that you are going to see currency and time zone. So you click on what? Currency. So you simply need to choose the currency in which you want to change. Okay, let's say Canadian dollars. Have in mind that if you have an ongoing ad running on your Facebook account, you can't change your Facebook ads currency to a different currency. Let's say you live from one country to another, you want to change it, you can't do that except you cancel that ads account. So that is, you simply need to create a new ads account for you to be able to do that. So guys, after that you click on what? Save, and it's going to take you for 2 hours for you to rechange it again to another currency. So I'm going to click on what? Save. So guys, we just successfully changed that to what? To Canadian dollars, as you can see. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.